In our lobby, we have a picture of 3 attorneys from DBL who are no longer with us. They're in a better place. And each one of those guys brought so much passion and added so much to the culture that we have today.
I can't think of anybody else on earth that I admire more than my father. He set a very high bar. You know, I'm very much who I am today because of my father. There's no doubt about it.
Everyone that I know that has come across a DBL attorney has always spoken very highly of them, which is kind of rare in our industry. I knew I wanted to be here, but I stayed here because that's true.
Lawyers make the world a better place. Strangely enough, I still believe that.
It's really given me that opportunity to feel good about what I do and helping people when they need you the most.
I like to feel part of those problems. That's what makes me get up in the morning and very happy to go to work, is I'm going to engage myself in other people's problems and hopefully steer them to a very positive solution. The firm actually finds its roots 60 years ago. Both my father and Bill Dunn became judges, so Charlie Dieters began to build a firm starting first with Jerry Benzinger and then added Jack LaVelle.
We came from very humble beginnings downtown in Covington, and over the years we've expanded into the Cincinnati market and into Louisville.
I love the fact that DBL is a smaller firm, but we also have some of those bigger firm resources.
Today, for example, I will meet with some elderly people to sign some wills, and I'll also meet with a corporate client to work on some major transaction that we're working on. I feel like we have a lot more to offer than the very small firms, the 1 or 2 person, 3 person law firms. And I think we have a lot to offer that the mega firms can't offer. We affectionately call the mega firms big law. We'll never be big law as long as I'm sitting at this desk.
We truly do consider ourselves, and our clients do as well, that we are business partners.
It's about helping the client achieve what the client wants to achieve. That's value.
We all have different skills and different talents, and we try to figure out the best way to put those together.
It helps us deliver a better product for our clients.
What I take great pride in is, I think as a whole, we're responsive to our clients.
You will not go without being able to talk to your attorney. I mean, that's unheard of for us. And it doesn't matter how big or small the matter is, you will be treated the same.
Obviously, trust has got to be at the top of the list. You gain trust by being interested in what the client is doing.
I still talk on a daily basis to a lot of the people I talked to on a daily basis in 1987, which says, I think, a tremendous amount.
My client base is really a list of who my friends are.
And my father always taught me that you're not just a lawyer, you're part of that family.
You know, it's a sense of peace that you know that the people you work with care about you, and it's just really a fun place to work.
I think people here are expected to be a part of their community, to know their community.
It has to do with giving back.
I mean, I don't know that they technically require, they kind of do require it.
We ask every one of our attorneys to get involved in organizations, lead organizations, be active. If you can't be active, if you're not passionate, then don't get involved. And that's very much part of the culture here at DBL Law.
It's about trust. It's about personal relationships. It's about sharing in a client's success, and to have the client feel like, you know what, I'm not sure I could have done this without my law firm. That's the highest compliment any client can pay a law firm.
Honest people, they are committed people, they're professional people, and their work speaks for itself.
I think we're at a great spot.